Alright everybody, I'm Chef America, aka Kiefer Nelson.
And I'm Chef Awesome. Oh, sorry. I'm Chef Awesome.
Yeah. Okay, and right now we are cooking the pretzels.
Let's take a look.
Yeah.
No, don't. Oh.
They look good. Dude, look at this.
Let's look. Look pretty good for me.
Okay. Delicious.
Well, we will let you know when we.
Well, we only have a couple minutes because we're going to
1:25.
yeah, 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
2 o'clock everybody.
Pretty
We're
awesome.
going to 1:25. And it's 1:16.
Okay, well, that's my cat. She's awesome.
Yeah. Griffin!
And she jumped, and she ran away. I thought you said that you would be the cameraman, man.
Shut up.
Gosh, man. Here.
Fine.
Yeah. Sit there for a second.
Taking a peek.
Sit there for a second.
Alright. Oh yeah, I'm shopkeeper to the awesomest guy ever.
Okay.
Looking pretty good so far.
What, open it up again? Look at those crispy pretzels. Hey, a bug.
Bug?
Where'd that bug go?
I don't know.
Oh, wow.
I like
Turn it off! Turn it off!